I'm sorry about the audio. I recorded it the whole way through the thing, but it messed up. I tried to fix it, but it is no hope. So I redid it, and I hope it's still good. Welcome to this tutorial. I'll be showing you how to make a SIG like this. This tutorial is for picture mods, hybrid GFX, and 7sims.com. First, you want to make a new file, 400 by 150. Press OK. And then you want to create a new layer. So you can delete the background layer, which gets annoying. Then you want to open up your render. Wait till it loads. And I'm going to resize it. I'm going to put this to 200. It's a good size. Then I'm going to select it all, copy it, bring it over to my, where I'm making my SIG. Paste it in. Create a new layer. Put it behind there. Make a gradient for the background. Make it dark, so on one side, on the right side put black, and on the other side put a dark gray. And then put the lighter gray patch around the render, sorta. See if this one works. No, I'm gonna do it again. Like that. See, it's a little lighter gray around him. That should be good. Then I'm gonna duplicate my render. Go to distort ripple. Then I'm gonna set it to medium and then 100. Press OK. And then I'm gonna smudge it up. Smudge it out on both sides and then in the middle. It's a little laggy on my computer with the recording device on. So let's see what happens. Okay, let's smudge it out a little more. That should be good. And then set it to color dodge. If that doesn't look good, then you can go up and set it to soft light, but usually color dodge is what you want to set it to. And then you want to create a new layer for later. Duplicate your smudge layer. And then go to blur, radial blur. Wait till that loads. Set it to 100 or 400. And then set that to soft light or color dodge. You want to duplicate your background layer, bring it to the top, set it to color dodge. You want to click your original background layer, go to render, lens flare, and then I think it's the 105mm one, the bright one, and set it behind your thing and bring it up a little bit. Oh, it's a little off, so I'm going to redo it. And set it more behind there. Press OK. That looks better. You want to duplicate it again, bring it to the top, set it to color dodge or soft light. Soft light looks good. Then take your layer that you made before, select it all, go to select modify border, set it to 2, press OK. Then you got the border around there, go to black gradient and just drag it across, then you get your black border there. And then what you're gonna want to do is you can duplicate your radial blurred smudge layer, and you can move it out a bit for more light if you need it, or just make it look good. And once that's done, you can go to layer, new adjustment layer, and then gradient map. Just press OK, and set it to black to white gradient. Press OK, and then do that again. Press OK, and set it to the red green one, and then do it again. But this time you're gonna want to go to violet to orange. So just make it violet and then select the other one. Click orange, press OK, press OK. You want to set each one of these to 25 opacity. So we'll just go to 25% opacity for all of them. And then you can duplicate your render, bring it to the top, set it to soft light, luminosity, whatever makes it look a little more clear. And you can do it again. And I'm pretty sure that's darken, the second one I do. And then you want to go underneath your text layer, create a new layer, click your text tool, and Century Gothic, I'm pretty sure it's called. Looks really good on this. And just write your text, move it there, move however you want it, and then I'll show you how to do a clipping mask. So create a new layer above your text, and then right click it and say create clipping mask, and then go to image, apply image, press OK. And then you got that, and then you can move it around with the tool, the move around tool. And then you can try to find a good color to match for your text so it looks good. Hopefully I'll be able to find something here. If you want, you can press Control T and then resize it. If you want like more of a color, then you can just resize it there. But if you can't find anything, just bring it back to the white and delete the clipping mask. I'm gonna resize it again, see if that works. That looks sorta good. And that about does it for your thing. But press Control Alt Shift E. That'll make another thing. Click the top bar up there. Click on curve. Pretty sure it's called. And you can mess with that to make it look better. You can also mess with the levels if you want. But let's see if I can find something that looks good here. We're set to that. Just click the top bar again to close that. And you can just save it however you like, and that's it. Thanks for watching my tutorials. Hope you look at them next time, like the next tutorial I make. And that's about it. See you guys.